Hi, kids! Let's make something yummy today. Come on, let's cook. Look at these yummy fruits. Apple, kiwi, strawberries, and banana. Time to slice the bananas. Yum, yum. Now I'm cutting strawberries slice by slice. Into the bowl they go. Now for a
Yummy, yummy! Fruit salad is ready to eat. Dig in.
This is so yummy. Bye-bye, kids. Yummy. Yummy. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Tiny Smiles World. I'll meet you soon.